Welcome to the Eclectic Thrifter and Crafter, where we thrift and craft with purpose. It's Tea Tuesday, or in my world, Crafty Tuesday. Today it's Constant Comment and Biscotti. Hello! It's been a warm few days in the craft room and out in the garage, so let's have a nice cup of Constant Comment and a bite of biscotti and on to our project. Finally, we're going to refurbish the grandfather clock body and turn it into a china cabinet. I hope you'll enjoy. there it is. Finally, my new little teacup cabinet. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like and subscribe, share my thrifting and crafting channel with your thrifting and crafting friends, and help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. I welcome your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Check us out on Instagram and tap that notification button for upcoming announcements of thrifts and crafts. But most of all, have a lovely, lovely day.